Here's how to change your username on Facebook from your desktop, PC, or laptop. For that, you need to go ahead and launch any web browser that you want. Then go to facebook.com, log into your account, tap on the profile or the user icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Now, once you're in the settings page, you need to go ahead and open the account center from the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and tap on your Facebook profile. From here, you'll get 4 different options of name, username, profile picture, and avatar. As we're looking to change the username, we're going to tap on username option. Now simply delete the previous username and set a new one that you'd like to set. After that, tap on done, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Changing your username will also change your Facebook profile URL at facebook.com/the username that you set on Facebook. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.